what's in the box, man?
418.
What kind?
Scar EVL.
Okay.
They do alright.
And you said 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so they strapped in.
Yep.
Okay. See the way it's hooked up. Nice.
I'm literally out of room.
Man, I like the way these doors turned up, man. That's nice.
In the front, they're weird. They're up here.
Yeah, that's kind of. What is this? Is it Explorer?
Yeah, well, it's a sport track.
Oh, okay, okay. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. Yeah, I hadn't seen one of these in a while. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah, appreciate that demo, man. Sounded good. Shoot, chill.
Scored on 46.5. So, yeah.
What you won't do, nigga? What you gon' do, nigga? What you won't do, nigga? Try.
My goddamn back itching, I couldn't even swallow.
Yeah, man, definitely enjoyed the first show the TV went to. Hit a 155.8 at 44 hertz, which is my peak tuning. I thought it was at 43, but I mean, I was very close. That's what the box specs is supposed to have been, tuned to 43 with the port. I didn't get any clamping numbers, but I will get that probably the next time. But very good show, very good show. Phat Farm. Wasn't a whole lot of demos given, so that's the reason why I went ahead and put everything in one video. No need to sit here and drag you guys around, and you know. So yeah, we're just gonna do one, maybe 2 videos. But yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like what I'm doing. The next show will be in 2 weeks. It'll be the Incriminator audio show in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Be going to that one. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get some more tunes for you guys. But remember what I said, I'm only gonna meter this thing one time. Maybe.